Hello, let's look at this question. It has been on the Facebook timeline for some time now. If 64 exponent x is equal to 16, we have to find the value of x. Here, this is an exponential equation. So we try to make sure whatever is on the left side of the equal sign equals to what is on the right side of the equal sign. So we are going to write an expression which have equal base and equal exponent. That is what will mean the meaning of what? The equal sign. So this 64 exponent x equal to 16 can be written to have equal base and equal exponent, to have the equilibrium on both sides. I can see that if I multiply 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 give us what? 64. This, if you multiply that. So I'll be replacing this as 4 exponent of 3. How many times? 3 times. And that is also having a power of x equals to 4 times 4 give us 16, meaning 4 exponent what? 2. The law also says that if I have a exponent m raised to the power n, it's just a multiplication of the two powers. So I'll be multiplying these two powers to have 4 exponent 3 times x, that's 3x, equals to 4 exponent 2. So as I said in the beginning, the equal sign means that what is on the left is the same as the right. So 4 as the base equals to 4 as a base. So that also means that 3x as a power is equals to the 2 to make the equal sign be meaningful. So I'll be picking, we equate the powers. If possible, we say we equate the exponent. So that will be 3x will be the same as what? 2 at the other side. So now we can eliminate the 3 by dividing both sides by that. So I'll be having 3x by 3, 2 by 3. You cancel. Therefore, your x will be 2 divided by 3. If you perform that division, the 3 will cancel 3, then 2 will be divided by what? 3. I guess this is also clear. Don't forget to like, share, and